Hi everyone, welcome back to Miracle Hobby Horses. Today we're doing something very special. I'm going to be saying my final goodbyes to Casper and Frodo. This is Frodo. He's a grey Welsh pony hobby horse that I made, and these two boys are going to be going to their new homes with my second cousins and best friends, Tess and Yana. So, Frodo is going to be going to Tess, and these two are going to be packaged in the same box, which is going to make it way easier to send. So today I'm going to wrap them up in some packaging, put some bows around them and some Merry Christmas cards. Let's do it. Before I wrap Frodo up in this packaging, I'm going to put some ribbon around his neck. I have no idea what colour to do. Maybe red? No, red's not really his colour. Green would look nice, but it's pretty thick. I decided on this really nice blue. I then made Tess this card with all of his details on it and a nice Christmas message. And Frodo is all ready to go. Bye bye, Frodo. Alrighty, this is Casper. He's a 9-year-old grey Arab. And his new owner will be Tess's sister, Yana. So let's pack him properly. Some red ribbon. And a card for Yana. Goodbye, Casper. I put some random bits of yarn on top just to make sure it's protected and it doesn't get bashed up. And now I'm just going to tape it up. And now it's time to say goodbye to Casper and Frodo.